Hey everyone, welcome to the part 19 of our series in building reports in Power BI. So in this video, we are on the last leg of our our business intelligence process, which started from data collection, then transformation, modeling, then creating the DAX queries and DAX measures for it, then building the report, and then finally we can publish the report. So remember, publishing is the way through which we can reach out to the audiences, uh, to the stakeholders of this report. So desktop, the Power BI desktop application you can consider as your workforce, as your background factory or the green room over which all the works takes place, and then you can publish that thing to the larger audiences. So for this, the important thing is that you should be actually signed in to your Power BI account. So here you can see I have signed in using my work email ID. So you should also be signed in, then only you will be able to publish the reports. So if at your workplace it is not permitted to do that, please just watch the demonstration, and later when it is allowed to you, you can do that. So here I am in the home tab. You can see there is a publish button. So click on the publish button and it will ask me like, first I have to save the report as well. And then it will ask me like, where do I want to publish this report? Okay, so here over my Power BI service account. So Power BI service basically is a cloud-based Power BI account, which is there, which provides us facilities of collaboration and sharing amongst the organization members. So I'm going to click on workspace, click on select, and you can see that it is starting to publish my Preeti Mishra Adventure Works report over the Power BI service. Okay, now let us have a look at it. So we can see that I want to open it in Power BI service. So here it opens, when I click it, it opens in my Chrome. So as soon as you sign into your Power BI account, it automatically creates a service account for you, and this is your service account. So I have been using this service account since long, so you're going to find a lot of stuff over here. But yes, but this is our report that I have just imported. Yeah, you can see executive dashboard, there is maps visual out there, there's product details, and it also provides you with the edit option. Okay, so the capacities of Power BI service is, in terms of reporting and all, it is limited, although you can edit the report and everything, but the core functionality that you can do in Power BI desktop is not available over here. Okay, and here you can see there are all the options through which you can save the file, you can print it, you can export it as a PDF and everything, you can analyze this thing in Excel, PowerPoint, you can export it to PowerPoint. Also, you can share this report with your teammates. So mine is a free account, so I think this service will not be open for me, but you can share this service, share this report with the other people in your organization, explore it. You can even subscribe the audiences so that they can receive a timely update about on this report, that every fortnightly they will be sent an update and so on. Okay, so this is our workspace. Please feel free to explore it as well. So yeah, so this is how I have published my report, and you can see this is my workspace under which the report is published. Yeah. Okay, so this is infrastructure KPEC demo. So this is the Adventure Works report that I have published just now. All right, and it imports the report as well as the semantic model corresponding to it. Okay, and then you can set up your refresh schedules, and from this account itself you can manage automation of the report refreshes. Yeah, so here is a demonstration of publishing your reports.